Welcome to WebWiz. Let's say you have a picture like this, and you want to add it to your website. Thing is, you want to add it at only about half the size. Now, if you add this picture onto your website and post it, you can change the size by HTML code. However, while you are telling that the post is only going to display the image at half the size, it is actually containing the entire image for reference in your website. So you're actually using up double the space that you want to on your website. Add enough large pictures or only a few very large pictures and you will slow down your website. When people try to load up a post, you will see that it takes an extremely long time. So what do we do if we want to make this picture smaller in Photoshop Elements before putting it onto our website? Now, I'm going to show you a very quick way to do it. There may be other ways, however, this is going to be extremely short. First, what you're going to do is open up your picture and look down here where it says so many inches by so many inches. Click on that, and it should display a box that tells you the pixel sizes. On this picture, the width is 640 pixels and the height is 427 pixels. Go to File, New, Blank File. Give your picture a name like half picture, and then enter in half the width pixels and half the height pixels of the original picture. For instance, half of 640 is 320 pixels, and the height, half of 427 is 213.5. 213.5. Make sure that you have pixels selected instead of inches or centimeters or something else. And then if you want, you can change the resolution, the color mode, and the background contents. That's not necessary. Click OK. And you will see a white canvas, which should be half the size of the original picture. Go back to the original picture, use the selection tool to click on the picture and drag it into half picture, or whatever the name of your picture is called, and just drop it onto the canvas. You can then drag the image onto the canvas. Should snap right in. Click the check mark, and you have your picture at half the size of the original. Here's the original, here is the new picture. You can add this as a thumbnail or whatever you want. You can put on your about page, I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. However, now it's half the size, and when you add this picture onto your website, it will only be half the information, not the full information. So that could take you, I was explaining it, so it took longer than it would take you if you weren't even thinking about it. All you have to do is click here, figure out what half of each pixel is, create a new picture, and just drag the picture in. So now you can upload it onto your website, and your website will now be faster. Thank you for watching this WebWiz tutorial on resizing your pictures.